Hello everyone, I am from App Solution and Services. Today I am here to just tell you the parent login inside Shadow. As this is the first video for parents, I want to just tell you a little bit about parent login. Firstly, the basic uses of Shadow for parents. Today, we'll cover the basic uses of Shadow for parents as well as the parent login in Shadow is divided into three parts: academic, collaboration, and apps. So, today we'll cover the academic parts and the basic uses of Shadow for parents. For basic uses for parents, you first must have to log in inside Shadow by using parents' user ID and password, which is provided you by the institution. Yes, I have entered the parent username, small p, capital S9, and password. And I have to click login to just view the dashboard. This is the dashboard which parent will going to view after logging in inside Shadow. These are the dashlets which are present at dashboard. The basic uses for parents, I'm going to first tell him about the user profile. If you click on this icon, you will get to access your profile. By accessing your profile, you will be able to change your language. You can choose according to your choice, and it will get transformed. You are seeing that it will get converted in Hindi. This all are converted in Hindi, these all things. So every user has its freedom to choose his language inside Shadow because this is a multilingual software. From this profile, he can also change its password. He or she can choose their new password by entering their old one and entering a new and confirming that new password. And after that, they have to click on update to update their new password. These all things are present inside profile. Beside this profile icon, you are seeing this message like icon. This is named as internal messaging system inside Shadow. Inside this, you will get an internal messaging system. You can view your inbox, that whatever messages you have got from the institution, either it may be an employee, either it may be a parent, or it may be any user of your institution. Here you are seeing send and create. By clicking on send, you can view your sent messages. This create button is given if you want to communicate with any of the user of this institution. You can communicate with this internal messaging system. You only have to click on create and you will get this page. Here, from here you can choose any of the employee, any of the teacher. Suppose we are choosing the teacher from English department and the teacher name is Sally, and you would also like to add your child. You can add it from here. Just mention its grade and add. Here you can see the recipient employee Sally as you have selected from here from English department, and the recipient student, that is your child. And you can also type here the subject of the message which you want to send to Sally and Augustus Brave. Take an example. Type class, classes. I have written in it. I can written in it any messages which I want to tell about, tell to Sally. Classes been over. And just we have sent it. You can view your send information in send tab. You can see that today subject name is classes. You have sent this to Sally and Augustus. You can also view that messages by clicking on that Sally. You can delete it too. So these are the basic uses which I told you for parents. As I told you that parent section is divided in three parts: in academics, collaboration, and into apps. Today I'll tell you about the academics part. In academics, there is a criteria named academics which fall under it. In academic page, we can view all the reports of your child. In this academic category, the category which falls is recent exams, subject-wise report, and detailed report. Here you can view any of your ward's assessment results, any of subjects results, transcript report. If the student is of CBSE board, then CCE report. If the student is of ICSE board, then ICSE transcript report. These reports are as per CBSE rules and regulations and ICSE rules and regulations. The result card will be generated according to respective board. Just we have click on ICSE board. We can just view Augustus Brave, who is a grade 4 child having ICSE board pattern following, whose admission number is S9, batch this, and roll number this. We can view all reports as per ICSE board guidelines, and we can just take PDF report of that result. We can take print out of it. In academics, there are one more thing that you can see that results through graphical representation. You are seeing that assessment results are also being told here as graphical representation. Here the red one implies student marks, your child marks in English, and the brown one represents the class average in this English subject. So here we can see the difference that class average is 73.7 and your child is scoring 45 marks. So you can here compare your child, that how below an average your child is in particular subject. Then again you can compare it for maths, then for social science, then EVS, and then Spanish language. Here you can see that in Spanish language your word is below an average student. In report center under academics, we can also view the attendance report of your child. In shadow, there are two type of reports present in it. That is monthly attendance report and overall attendance report. As we click on overall and OK, it will tell me the total working days till today and total number of days your child is present at the institution and the total percentage of your ward, total percentage of attendance of your student, of your child. Suppose an example that your ward is present for 165 days and he is absent for 2 days. Then the rest 2 days data will appear here in this box with that date and with reasons why this 2 days he is absent, and he is absent for whole day or for a half day. You can also view it if he will be an absent student. This is all under academic section in first academic sections. Then under academics, the second thing fall is a calendar. So calendar is basically used to view the events, examination, holidays, and dues. You can view, you can see that December 2015 calendar, we have only one, that is event, because it is black. And you can just view it information here. Dance practice it is. Start time, end time. Likewise, you can see the calendar for current months. You can also see for upcoming months too. Suppose you are a parent of two children. Then before your profile, you will get your both child name. You can switch over your child from here only. Whomever child, you will select the report, the academics part, the calendar, everything accessed at that time will be of that student whom you have selected. You can switch over from here. This is all about calendar part. Now I'll move on the discipline section. Under discipline section, you can view it like this. You can also sort the discipline section in pending or solved filter. By using these two filters, you can sort out the discipline section. As you are viewing that book is stolen and complaint number C1002 and modified date. You can access it, that what is going through. English book was missing from my bag. The complaint has filed by Augustus Brave, S9. The status is pending, trial date is 24. So on 24 December, the jury will take the decision. Complaint against Michael Krath, and responsible officials are admin users. The jury member is Karthik. You can also view the comments. So this is all about the discipline section in academics. So you can view if your child has filed any complaints. This is my profile, the fourth section in academics. Here you will get all the information about your ward with photograph, with all the information that is present here, with immediate contact, that is parents. You can view all the reports from here too. Rest from more, you can view the fee status of your child. By just clicking on this, you can see this. First term fee collection is paid by you, paid on date mentioned here. Then for May, that is unpaid. Due date is also. So you can just view that what amount you have paid and what amount you have unpaid. And you can also view the due date, that when you have to submit it. You can also view the refunds here, that any amount that is refunded to you, if any excess amount you have given to institution, if any security amount you have given that institution has refunded you, you will get updated on this section. Then registration docs are present here. As you are seeing, no attachment present. If you have submitted the attachment, the document, while applicant registration, the online submitting of data, then your document will be here. Then activities is there. If any activities is going on that date, you will be get notified over here. After that, remarks. If any remarks has given to your child, that should be in this section. You can view it in this section. This is all about my profile. Now the last thing is timetable inside academics. You can view your child timetable over here. You'll find the timetables over here. From here also you can view the activities. This is all for today for parents. Stay tuned. We'll Next video will be uploaded for collaboration and apps. Thank you.